Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll just guide you how you need to configure multi-currency in your WedgeCommerce for the front end. So over here in the configuration section, you will find the multi-currency tab. So you need to click on multi-currency and you will be taken to this page. And as of now, you can see the USD is the default one that is currently active. So basically this is your Salesforce org default currency, which is automatically taken as a default one. Further, you can add more currency based upon your requirement for the front end. And we have provided real-time currency conversion rates and also for the manual conversion rates based upon your requirement. If you want to have real-time currency conversion, then you need to enable the dynamic currency update right from here. And if you want the conversion based upon manual, so you need to just disable that. So let's proceed further to just set up a few currency and understand how things are working in the multi-currency functionality. So I'll proceed further to just click on the plus icon in order to add the currency, and it will take you to the next page in order to add currency. So over here you can see it is asking for the currency name, the currency code, that you need to make sure that the ISO code for this currency should be correct. So you need to take care of this. Accordingly, the currency rate will be defined. So let's proceed to just set up, as it is already we are having a USD. So let's set up for a euro. So as you can see, I have entered the currency name and the currency symbol. I'll just add the currency code and you will notice the currency rate is automatically getting, and by just pressing the tab to the next field, you will see the currency rate is getting converted accordingly. So you need to proceed further to just activate it and just save it. So over here you can see we have two different currency available based upon the conversion rate. So if you want to have, as of now, this conversion rate is picked from the real-time updates, and if you enable the dynamic currency update, then it will work on the basis of real-time. Otherwise, if you want to have this conversion based upon manual conversion, so you need to make sure it is disabled, and also you can edit it and you can enter your conversion as per your choice. You can save it, and in this way it will work. So in this same way you can add more currency in this section, and you need to just make sure that the ISO code for that specific currency should be correct. So thank you for using WedgeCommerce. Go through the next video tutorial to understand how you need to set up the multi-language functionality. Thank you for watching this video.